Friends and family members of two of Clarendon's fishermen are now praying for a miracle after the men went missing at sea on Friday. The men were returning home when they got into difficulties. DWAYNE Anderson has details.
Both are sink, and nobody knows seen that.
Scary details about an ordeal at sea that has friends and relatives of two Clarendon fishermen fearing the worst. The men were traveling in a boat when they developed difficulties. It is reported that they were last seen using buckets to remove water from the boat. The incident happened Friday as the fishermen made their way back to Portland Cottage in Clarendon from Pedro Bank.
Well, I'm the owner for the boat. It's a family business. You understand? It's not really long time we started out. But we went to Robert WEIR and asked him to make a trip for me. You understand? And him call Lucky and because I'm best friend them. And they make the trip and them go out Wednesday. And expected to come back on Friday about 10:30 in the morning. But when we get a call to come down by the beach, them not come home.
Other fishermen have since journeyed to sea to help in the search. But so far, no sign of the men.
So they sent out yesterday with 3 boats to go look. And when they go out and search and when they come back, the last one come about after 7. You see, and one come about after 4. The first 2. And the last one come about after 7. And when they come, they say don't sign nothing, no job, no box, nothing. Me and Lucky Ellis living at the same house. Pim live right next door, which is Robert WEIR, live right next door. You understand? And it pain me out, you know, you just have me locked away right now, can't eat, can't sleep, can't do nothing. You understand? Knowing, I'm come on the beach yesterday and see Robert WEIR 2 daughter is a twin. You understand? Every boat the baby them ear turn and them feel like them father come, if you understand. And it really pain me out to see the young man them, you know, disappear like that. But me still hope and trust in God, say them alright, you understand, some big boat or something them out there.
The Coast Guard has been assisting.
They give me a good call, you know, because when we make the report, a few hours after, them call and say them on the search. They have a helicopter and they have a big craft out there searching. And them search until start search about 3 o'clock. And them call back about 7 minutes to 7 in the night and say them look some more. And them call back yesterday morning and say them still there on the search. You understand? So me really appreciate how them push out them best. You understand? Because the next fisherman tell me, yes, them see the captain and the boat out here for real.
It's been 2 days since the men were last seen. And while many are holding on to hope, they know time is running out.
See, this can't save a life. So maybe a man depend this and hope and pray if you see a man come save them. You understand? How long they can stay upon this? No food, nothing.
DWAYNE Anderson, TVJ News.